Oh. Oh.
So, as you can see, luckily I was told. So, as you can see, it's got steam.
Oh.
Okay?
Steam.
So, remember, what's the temperature of steam? Hot.
Hot.
Very hot.
Very,
It's
very
not 90.
90.
Steam is hot.
So you need to be careful.
Yeah, so
eh?
you need to really be careful. But as you can see it's like piping hot. So that's the one. So you've got two, okay,
Yes.
on either side, right? So, and here you've got the temperature gauge.
Temperature, yeah.
See? So normally it's, look, it's nearly 100 there. So that's already, what, 60, 70, 80, 90. Yeah? So it's pretty hot.
We have to wait here, go to until 90 so we can make a coffee.
About 90 or close to 100, but it's okay. But 80, 90, it should be all right. Yeah. So this part here, that's the steam as well. See? Okay. And here, just put it over here. So this one here, if you just want the water to run, because I like to put it so that it cleans it a little bit.
Oh.
Yeah, and if you press that, it will continuously run. Okay, but because it doesn't have a catcher, I've just put it in here, so I have to remember to empty it. Okay, so here's the size of the shots. So here you've got one shot. Okay, so how many mil is one shot? 30. 30, yes.
The
So
minimum.
30 mil, and that one there is 60 mil. It will be a big one.
Double.
The big cup, yeah, double. The double shot.
Yeah.
So that's 60. And these ones are just the one shot and the double shot. One shot, double shot, small cup, big cup. Okay? Yeah?
Okay.
You see the sign?
Yeah.
Double shot.
Double shot. Double shot.
One shot.
For the, we can use this one and this one the same size.
Yeah, same size. But
If you use this, you can use this.
yes, but this one here would be a little bit more concentrated because it's for shots. Whereas this one here is for big cup, small cup. Okay? But because this one here, it doesn't, like the size of the cup, I'll show you. This is a small size, so
That's so pretty. Yes. She's hard. I tried to do the same, but I can't.
okay, so these are the small cups. These are the medium cup.
Small and medium.
Okay, so yeah. And then this large one. Okay, and here we even have a jumbo.
Jumbo.
Some people really love their coffee.
How you make
This
the
one's
jumbo
leaking
one?
a little bit.
How you make that one?
Well, normally with the jumbo, I normally hit that one, and then plus I'll give it a 2 shot.
Oh.
But I change, like, you know, because otherwise the coffee won't be strong enough. So you need to take it out and change it. This is not, it's sort of a little bit too leaking, so don't use that one. Use that side. Okay, so here's your coffee, right? I've just got some
Coffee
old
bean.
one here, so we'll grind it. So it's switched on, and you'll see that it's grinding. Okay, so normally only grind as much as you need, okay? Because otherwise it's going to be a waste. But I'll let you, so you put that one in there like that, and then, okay. So here, you touch it, feel it. It should be of that fineness. It's quite still grind.
Yes.
Yeah.
Not
Nice
it
smell.
should it should be really fine, much more fine. But this one here is a little bit old now in machine, and you'll see that the more fine it is, yeah, it will go slowly. That's right. But if it's really, you know, like coarse.
Yeah, yeah.
But I think it should be all right once you you know, tamper it. So here's the tamper. Do you want to touch it? Feel it? You don't want to feel it?
Touch it.
Yeah. So just feel it. Like grind it in your finger, and you'll see, because like I said, the finer it is, it's better, but it goes really slow and it's more sort of like, you know, the crema is a lot more thicker. Yeah. So roughly right, but remember every single machine is different. So this is my first time of using this machine because the other machine failed on me. So I normally just double like wipe it here to make sure that there's no gum, because if there is anything left over, it's a burnt taste. Yeah. So make sure, you know, you sort of wipe that a little bit, but at the end of the day, you know, you clean it out. But you know, in between, just like that, and then you just let it flush out. Remember the words that we used? Flush it. Flush it. And here, no, I'll just put this one down here. And here's the steam wand. Yeah. Always keep it nice and clean. So you can see this here. It's nice and clean. And normally, I would normally just, what was it?
Flush.
Purge? Is it the word? Yeah, purge it a little bit, because sometimes when you're doing the milk, it gets stuck in there. You know, it's got 2 holes in it and it gets in there. You don't want somebody's leftover coffee, leftover milk. Yeah, so always sort of purge it a little bit. Yeah, and then give it a good wipe and yeah, make sure it's clean. Just say, okay, the blue one is for the coffee, but normally I have a brown one. The brown one is the coffee one, and these ones are, you know, in one set. So, okay, so once you grind the coffee, we'll put this one through and see how it goes. So here, there's a technique as well, because there's a, so when you put it in, you have to make sure it gets in there. So you move it around a bit, and see? Move it around, and then you press it over to that side, and it should stay. Yeah. So that way to tighten, this way to loosen. Yeah. Loose. Yeah. Tighten. Yeah. And the only cup that we can actually put under there is a small cup. Okay. Yeah. So I just use the small one, and then I just pour it into the cup. Yeah.
Pour to the big one.
Yeah, and then pour to the big one. But you know, I put it in there, it catches it. Because sometimes if you use the small one, you know, it's like, oh, is it gonna fit? Yeah. So it's safer just to use the small size cup. Yeah. And then okay, so if I press, so here we go, double shot, single shot, big cup, small cup. Yeah, I'll just press the small one, and that's about 30 ml, and you'll see it. See? Look at that.
Wow.
So, look at that. It's only a little bit.
Very little one.
Yeah?
Oh, wow.
It's only really little.
Use your double shot.
Yeah. And that's for the larger cup. Yeah? It's okay, it's coffee. So long as it's coffee. Yep. Yeah? Yeah, a little bit. Yeah. Just maybe just one more, and then that's it.
What happened if you have no grinder, teacher?
Yeah. Then
We can buy the like that.
Yeah. But it won't be
It's not
nearly for
yeah,
ready for
that's
this.
right. Yeah. Yeah. Awesome.
You need it up?
Yeah. Get a dry one. Yeah. Yeah. So that there should be pointing towards you. See?
It's nearly at this one.
Yeah, I know. So that should be pointing towards you.
Okay.
Yep. Okay. So just use it.
Yeah. This one short.
Should be a good shot. See? And it's quite dark.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite thick, isn't it? So you can throw.
Not thick cream.
Yeah, that's right. So then that's diluted a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Awesome. That's why I go back to the hot dogs there. You are a hot dog. Put it on the side and we'll roll.
Because you get the coffee first,
Yeah.
then you put 2 pumps of caramel, then the milk. Sugar, coffee.
To go through everybody. So yeah. So now we're going to practice how to do the milk. Okay. So
Did you make the milk coffee or the foam?
Crema.
crema, and that gives it. See, it says here for velvety, smooth froth. So this one's probably got a lot of fat in it, and it makes it nice and more creamier and velvety smooth. Okay, so that's probably one of the best.
Like that milk
And yes, you've got your full cream milk.
The cheap one.
Yeah, so that's the full cream milk one. Yeah, and you then of course you've got the skinny, the light, yeah, and all that kind of stuff. So it's important to ask them what kind of milk they want. There's also soy milk, almond milk, oat milk, lactose free. Remember, people like me cannot drink full cream, otherwise we'll fart all day. Okay, so that's right, that's called lactose free. And you'll be surprised, a lot of people are lactose free but don't realise it. But trust me, when you get old like me, you will, some people become lactose free. So yeah, so you've got lactose free milk, almond, soy, yeah, oat, even rice oil. And always, like I said, in hospitality, use your nose, use your eyes, look at it. If something's not clean, make sure, because it's hygiene. So there's different sizes, but I like this size. Normally, that gives me enough,
Expansion.
room to, remember how we talk about stretching the milk?
Expansion, yeah.
So it gets to expansion, to expand. And when I fill up
Has
the
to
milk,
have more than enough.
that's right. But remember, we don't want
What a
waste.
waste,
We don't
yeah.
want waste. So what I always recommend for one, like 1 cup of milk, of coffee, I normally fill it up right to that bottom part there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
the
Spout.
Of
Yeah.
the spout.
You know,
Yeah,
where that
yeah, the
bottom
carb
valve
one.
there?
Yeah, the carb.
Outside,
Yeah. So
the outside there.
just
No,
here at
the one
bottom
carb
there. Yeah,
there.
just right there. So here, I'll fill up the milk to there, because then that gives you enough room. Yeah. So as you can see, it's just right there.
It's just under here.
Yeah,
Just right that part there. Yep.
Yeah, okay.
Just right there. Fill it up to that. This is the first time I'm operating this machine, so don't laugh. Okay. Try to aim it right in the middle and at a sort of like a 45-degree angle. Yeah. So see how. So normally, I know you can't. So, and you just put it just enough in there. See how. See, it should sound like as if the aeroplane is about to go up. Yeah, did you hear that?
Yeah.
And quite thick in a way. In there.
Side on, no. Do you tilt your cup a bit?
A if you want to make, what is it, patterns and all that.
Ah,
See,
all
the
right.
water, the thing's not thick enough.
Oh, right.
Where you put the foam. Oops, sorry.
No worries.
Sorry.
Hold
The
on
pattern. Because when it comes to the pattern
What's
time, and you'll
that?
see
Hold
it.
on.
This is my job.